Neil here from Our Clean. So I'm just cleaning up these garden edging pavers, which I think they might be a sandstone paver. So we're just going to, as you can see, there's this kind of consistent mould, and it's very common because sandstone is quite porous. This mould grows really deep and it's quite hard to improve. We're going to try to improve the mould by applying a chemical formula. Obviously I've asked the customer's permission on this, but this is a kind of bleach chlorine based formula, and I, with this brush and doing it like this, I can actually be quite precise, so I don't get it all over the garden and the grass and everywhere else. So, and then what we're going to do is we're going to let this set probably for about 25 minutes or thereabouts, and then we're going to come back and we're going to pressure clean it. And the idea here is really to give the chemical the dwell time in the stone, to let it soak in so that it can actually get to depth and kill that mold. So these are the results. So the soak time was 25 minutes. As you can see, there's still quite a bit of black mold in there. This was probably the worst section, but as you can see, as we move along here, the pavers are actually improved significantly. So ultimately it's customer's choice as to whether we use chemicals or not. I think in this case certainly the chemicals significantly improved the result. We could have got good results with hot water alone, but the bleach has just helped penetrate that deeper layer of dirt. Okay folks, so hope you enjoyed the video.